In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on Find My iPhone on iPhone 12. So if you have an iPhone 12, either iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini, or iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you want to enable or turn on Find My iPhone such that when you open the Find My application on your iPhone, you have a list of all the devices you have on your Apple account here, and you'll be able to track them, locate them, ring them, or mark it as lost. So if you're done on this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to enable or turn on Find My iPhone on iPhone 12 series, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, click on your iPhone settings name. Now, scroll down a bit and tap Find My. Then while on the Find My page, you see Find My iPhone turned off. Because I have an Apple Watch, that's why I see my location. My cellular Apple Watch is included. And if you close that page, come to Find My, you discover that neither my iPhone nor my Apple Watch is on this page. Now, to turn on Find My and enable Find My iPhone or Find My Apple Watch, tap Find My iPhone and turn this on. Then you see pop that says Find My iPhone enabled. Then go ahead and click on OK. You can also turn on Send My Last Location if you're trying to track any device. Then go back. You can now open the Find My app on your iPhone. Nothing here, then you can see that I have my iPhone, I have my Apple Watch, I have my AirPod Pro. At the same time, I have my iPad. You can see my AirPod Pro is about 0.1 kilometer away from me, which is currently at home. Then my iPad is far away because it's off. That is why I couldn't find my iPad on the list. That's that. I have AirPod, iPhone, and then the Apple Watch. So that's that. You can easily enable or turn on Find My iPhone on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.